What's up, Coastal Spotters? It's July 16th, and we are back at Six Flags Great Adventure for a quick trip around the park. Main reason we're here, Kingda Ka has reopened, so we're going to get a ride on that, take a little loop around the park, get some food. I'm going to show you how to use the mobile ordering here at the Main Street Pub later on today, and it should be an absolutely fantastic day. I love how they say sometime in 2021 for Jersey Devil. So don't plan on it being open on opening day. I'd say that's 50-50. People keep on like, oh, it's going to be open on opening day. Who knows? Who knows? Here's your update for Johnny Rockets. Already I can see a lot more signature to help educate everyone with all the social distancing. Really not going to talk about any of the COVID stuff today. I've done it. Check out the last video. Today's more of a operations update to see how they're doing, because we went opening weekend and it's been a few. So let's just check out how the rest of the park is operating now that they've had a week or so of operations under the belt. If you have a 10:15 reservation, I suggest you get there by 10 of. No later than 10. You can get right ahead of the crowd getting into the park and all that stuff. And I mean, it's deserted back here. I feel like I shouldn't even be back here. We're gonna go to El Toro first because we have not seen a test run of Kingda Ka yet today. And I don't feel like standing around at the entrance for what could be a while. So we will stay over and ride El Toro a bunch. And as soon as we see a Kingda Ka test run, we will definitely run over there and see how it's running this year. Still no Ka, so rode Toro 5 times, Mine Train, and Bizarro. But I think we'll go investigate the station area, see if there's any staff there, and if not, we're gonna go mobile order and get out of here. Okay, so for ordering food, let's go through the process. As I walk to Kingda Ka to check it out, so you're gonna order food, do a new order. So we're gonna find where we wanna eat, Main Street Pub. It's gonna take us a little bit of time to get over there. So let's go for 12:45. And then we are gonna go with pulled pork mac and cheese. Highly suggest it. Add to order. And then so they will not fill your cup for you. They'll give you a refill cup. Now, if you don't have your refill cup with you, I don't think you can get a refill, but if you mobile order it with a free refill, they pretty much have no choice but to give it to you. So, there you go, Coke. View my bag. If you have your season pass dining, apply dining. Apply credits, done. Continue the payment. And then there you go. And then once you get to the Main Street Pub, which we'll show you, you click prepare my order, and then it should be ready within just a few minutes. You sit outside, don't clog the line. We'll talk about it more when we get there. The area 2, Kingda Ka, is now reopened. let's go see what's going on. Yeah, no staff here today, so definitely not opening. I'm not sure what their schedule is. As I said, we saw some testing going on with Zumanjaro earlier today, so they might just be working on that. I'm not sure, so I guess we'll have to try again in about 2 weeks, because we are leaving tomorrow evening for the biggest trip of the year, going to the Midwest, Silver City. It's like St. Louis, World of Fun, Holiday World, Indiana Beach. So be sure to check out all those vlogs coming in the weeks ahead. But as soon as we get back, I will definitely probably run here on that first Monday back and ride this beast, show it off with lots of cool footage, and feel the speed again. As we walk over to get our food, let's talk about operations. So back on opening weekend, there were pretty much a lot of rides only allowing one train load into the station. Now it's pretty much assigned seating. They'll tell you what row to go to before you enter the station. That's how it is on the 3 coasters I rode: Bizarro, Mine Train, and El Toro. So be sure to ride this guy. This is possibly the last topspin in America. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm pretty sure of it. So actually, if it reopens, I might give it a ride right now. I love it. It's a great ride. Unfortunately, it's a dying breed because the maintenance on them is terrible. So, but that's the operations change. As far as efficiency goes, everything was pretty good. Bizarro, as usual, it's taking forever. I don't know why. They have even less people to check, and yet it's still taking forever. Slingshot's still not open. Looks like they're working on Zumanjaro, as I said. So that should probably open while we're gone. They've totally gutted this games booth. That's interesting. Wonder what they're gonna do here. Huh. We'll have to stay tuned and see what they're gonna put in here. All right, so now that we're back to our restaurant that we're gonna pick up our food from, go back to orders, hit your order, and then, oh, we're not close enough quite yet. It's very sensitive with how close you have to be. Still not there. There we go. So as you can see, we had to be pretty close to it, within about 50 feet or so. So we'll sit down and just wait for our food to be ready. Now, usually my order isn't ready right away, but in this case, it took 5 seconds. So there you go. We'll be able to go right inside and pick up our order immediately. So in this case, you kind of just skip the line and you're supposed to pick up. There we go, there's our food. So that is gonna be it for today. Short vlog, just showing mobile order, and I was hoping to ride Ka, but that is not happening. So gonna go home and make some more videos for you guys. All right, thank you so much for watching The Coaster Spot. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.